Got to Materuni Waterfall in Moshi. Getting ready to hike. I believe it's an hour hike, right? It's an hour hike. Hour hike to the waterfall.
Welcome to Materuni Village. This is one of the Chagga Village around the slope of Mount Kilimanjaro. The Chagga here, people are like cultivating coffee for cash crops and banana for food and other uses like banana beer and the other things. But on the way, we'll take about 40 minutes to reach to the waterfall, but the terrain sometimes is not good, so be careful with your slippery shoes. Be careful of it. Most of you have drinking water bottles, so be careful not to throw it away. When you finish it, you may pack it, you may keep it. When you come back, we may take it back to that. No, we can keep on the trash bin down there if you use it, okay.
Humble. Okay, so the hike so far has been intense. It was coming down like a very slippery, hilly, windy part, and because it rained, of course it's very slippery, so I was really nervous about falling, but my mind is blown for the beauty of this place. I can't even formulate the right statement. And I really hope this vlog shows a little bit of it and why you should be here. We just made it down to the waterfall. It is really stunning. The journey was scary. I'll talk about when I get back on the other side, but look at this, this is gorgeous. This waterfall is incredible. It's massive, it's big, it's so much energy. You guys have to come when you come to Moshi and check out the Materuni Waterfall. It's literally Okay, so I end up getting on a boda coming back because I keep slipping, so he's over there. I can't make it uphill on the boda, so we're meeting him. I'm just wearing the wrong shoes, which is why I'm wearing tennis shoes, and they're just like super slippery. So keep falling. So can I tape you? Just gonna say this was my tour guide, and he made sure I got back safe and sound. Reggie, right?
Yeah, Reggie.
Can you just tell like where we were? Like your family's from here, the history a little bit.
Now here is Materuni Village. This is the last village before Kilimanjaro National Park. I'm born here, I'm brought here. I live a little bit down from this village. This is the last village before Kilimanjaro National Park.
Oh.
And the people live here is the Chagga people. We speak two languages. We speak Swahili and the Chagga language.